up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to another video with your girl, Miss Tuna Living Life Eats. And that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Okay, period. Okay, so y'all, I made some tuna tacos. Tuna tacos. And that's what I got in this bowl. I got me some nice, yummy tuna, cilantro, onions. What else I got in here? Jalapenos, black olives. All of the good stuff I got up in here, okay, for my tuna tacos. And I also got these hard shells. I really like these shells. And some cheese. Got my sour cream. Got my toppings, my hot sauce, my green tea. So let's get it in. Let's get it in, because the sister girl is hungry. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. We done made it through the work week, y'all. Done made it through the work week. What y'all about to do tonight? What is y'all about to do tonight? Y'all going out to party? Y'all going out for some drinks? What y'all on for tonight? Talk to a sister. These tacos so fat too, y'all. And healthy. Very healthy. Very healthy. I love me some tuna. Y'all like tuna? I love me some tuna, y'all. Get that all packed up in there. Gonna give me some cheese. Let me give me some cheese, because I'm hungry, y'all. What else I need to put on here? What else? Because I know this just gonna fall over. Let me get my Tabasco. Gotta have a Tabasco on the taco. Gotta have a Tabasco. And I got two different types of Tabascos. I got the just the original Tabasco, and then I got the really scorpion, spicy, hot Tabasco. Yes, Tabasco. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on there because I do like the spice. Gotta have spice in your life. Then I got these toppings. If y'all ever tried these, I put these on all my tacos, and I show this on all of the videos I do tacos with because they're really good. And it's a really good combination. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw those on there. Put that to the side. And then this is just an avocado lime sauce. And it's pretty good too. And last but not least, y'all least favorite thing for me to put on my taco is my pickle. I always have to have pickles on my taco because it just tastes amazing. Tuna taco. Ah, yes, that was definitely the thumbnail. I hope. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my pickle on here, y'all, just like so. Just like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it in. Y'all, y'all gotta give this a try. Okay, it's definitely the scorpion Tabasco for me. Let me move this out the way so I ain't slobbing all in it. That hot sauce is so spicy, y'all. Yeah, y'all, it's good. It's real good. That's real good. Sun is trying to peek in, but it's so cold outside, y'all. Green tea. No ice. So good. Mm. Y'all gotta try y'all tuna like this. Not like the regular way that we grew up making tuna. With like the sugar and, wait, I don't know how to make tuna. They put mayo and what? Relish and all of that. I don't do that. This is straight tuna out the can. All you gotta do is pour out the juice. Season it. I season my tuna with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper. What else? I believe that's it, y'all. I believe that's it. And then I added chopped white onions. I'm trying to remember everything. Chopped white onions, jalapenos. Not the pickle one, the real jalapenos. Jalapenos cut up. Black olives, cilantro. And then I took a lime, cut that in half, and squeeze the juice. Squeeze the juice. Mix it all up. Taste it. If you need more seasoning, and you know what? I said white onion, purple onion, purple onion. Purple onion, not white onion, purple onion. Correction. Mix it all up. Try it to see if you need any more like seasonings or what have you. And that's it. Literally, that's it. And I'll put my sour cream, my cheese, and my spices. That's it. Oh my God, that tea is so good. And this is how it turned out. It's so freaking good, y'all. I ain't even gonna front. It's so good. Notice I'm starting to eat with my hand more. I don't know where this come from. I don't know where this come from. I eat everything with a spoon, fork, knife. That was good. I need another one. I need another one. It's addicting. It's like addicting. Y'all gotta try it. Please try it. And when y'all try it, make sure y'all hashtag me. Let me know if y'all like it. If y'all tried it. If y'all didn't like it. Y'all should try it. Are we be making this like steak tacos, ground beef tacos? Try fish tacos. Try tuna tacos. Hell, I seen somebody eating a spaghetti taco. I said, damn. They eating spaghetti tacos? Well, all right. Maybe I'll give that a try. Maybe I will give that a try. How am I supposed to put this tuna in here? Okay, I gotta pick this up. Let me put this tuna in here. It's so good to y'all. Hold on. Okay, let me get my cheese. Gotta get the cheese, y'all. Gotta get the cheese. Then the hot sauce. This is the real spicy one. Excuse me. Somebody told me I'm always burping and I don't say, I don't never say excuse me. So excuse me, you happy now? But yeah. Oh, it's so fine. Y'all want to see this one? Come on. I know y'all want to try that bite. I know y'all want to try that bite just to see what it tastes like with the pickle. Move this stuff out of the way. Oh, look at my little stand. It's so messy today. It is messy today. But it's okay, y'all. It's okay, y'all. You can taste all that flavor. You can taste all of that yummy, yummy, yummy flavor. So fine. It is so good, y'all. So, I guess I gotta tell y'all what's been going on. Oh my God. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a vlog slash still eating show. Girl, get it together. It's my dad's birthday on Sunday. It's my dad's birthday. So tomorrow we will be at my mom's house because she is having him a dinner party. Well, no, not at my mom's house. At my sister's house. It's going to be at my sister's house. Correction. It's going to be at my sister's house. So I will be definitely doing some vlogging tomorrow. Definitely be careful with these shells, because they will scar up the roof of your mouth if you bite it incorrectly. I'm talking about gas shot. All up there. Be careful. But yeah, y'all. It's my dad's birthday. So we'll all be over there celebrating with him and my mom. I believe I met them already. I believe. But if y'all have not, y'all will be seeing them tomorrow. Y'all better go get y'all some tuna. Open the cans up. I bet you most of y'all already got tuna in y'all a cabinet. Tuna been sitting there for 100 damn years. I know somebody got tuna. If y'all ain't got none of that, y'all got some damn tuna. Make some tacos with it, I'm telling you. You won't go wrong. It's good. And I know I eat weird. I eat really, really weird. But I promise y'all this recipe is really good. Really, really good. So I won't be for I won't be for y'all long. I won't. Because a sister girl need to take a nap. So I'm tired. Oh my God, y'all. And then if my mom would have never cooked, I had a taste for lobster tails. I've been having a taste for lobster tails. So y'all will be getting a lobster tail video soon, because I've been having a taste for lobster tail. And you know what, y'all? This seafood is so freaking expensive. I'm about to really get out of the seafood board game until YouTube start paying me my check. At least all of it. Oh man. It's expensive. And I got how many cans of tuna? 4 cans of tuna, y'all, for $1.49. Yeah, cheap meal. And then these shells, I ain't even buy them. My sister gave them to me because she ain't like them. I didn't even have to buy no shell. Y'all, I'm telling you. You better budget ready, you can budget. I'm ready for these 3. I'm full off the 2. And I still got 2 pickles. I just knew I was going to eat all 4 of my pickles. Nope. And the sun want to fake come out. Y'all see that? Don't let the sun fool y'all. It's cold. It is cold. It's even too cold for me to go outside and do a fire. And y'all know how much I love doing that. In any weather. But when it's windy and that wind is blowing that cold air, I can't handle that. I just scratched the roof of my mouth a little bit. Damn it. It's gonna be like something up there. It's gonna start hurting. But yeah, y'all. Crazy part about it is that I do want another taco, but not like a whole one. Like a half of one, but I know I can't break this. Yes, I can. I just do a little tostada, and I'm running out of stuff to drink. That's why typically I drink water, because it seems like it keeps me more hydrated. These shells is just like blocking my taco. It seemed like water hydrates me. Well, of course, it's gonna hydrate me more than tea. And that's what I should have got. I should have got my big cup of water like I usually have on these videos. And I also want to get me one of those coldest water bottles. I know I keep saying that. I still haven't looked that up on how to get those. I guess I can just look it up. Should be relatively easy. Give me one of those big coldest water bottles. That way, it can be in here. It ain't got to move, excuse me. Oh, God, excuse me. Ooh, and I ain't even drinking soda. I was burping. Okay, y'all, this gonna be my last little one, and I'm gonna let you go. Y'all like, hurry up, girl, finish the video. I'm gonna just use this Tabasco sauce this time. Cause that other one, oh Jesus. Sweet baby Jesus. Pickle, cheese. All right, I got my little ham for Cancun. I got my little ham. Got my little half a taco. That even look good, don't it? A little half a taco. Watch y'all finish it. That's good. What am I trying to do for the rest of the day? I think I'm finna just lay down. I'm gonna lay down. That's what I'm finna do. Yeah, I ain't really got nothing to talk about. I think I can clearly see. Do I? Nope, I don't. I just want to finish my food. So I can take a nap. Nap. So I will be getting my hair done soon, y'all. My nails, all of that. Lashes. Just haven't had time. But I will be doing them. I'm gonna get my nails done. I finally got all those nails off, y'all. Oh, it was a pain in the butt. But I got them all off. I need to get my toes done. All of that, y'all. Like a spa day. Literally. A spa day. I can't wait till I get my microphone. So when I'm chewing and crunching, I can like really hear it. I know some of y'all want to hear, some of y'all don't. Some of y'all want to hear, some of y'all don't. All right, y'all. I'm going to let y'all go because I'm just babbling on. I'm just babbling on. And plus, I'm running out of tea. Oh, that's the end for that. All right, guys. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with your girl on today. Girl, get your words out. I'm going to just take an English class. Is that the class I need to take to learn how to talk correctly? Or, yeah, to talk correctly, y'all. Is it the English class? I took English and I passed it and I still can't talk. Anywho. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with your girl on today. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so y'all can get all of my new videos. So with that being said, catch y'all in the next video.